Hi. For an optimal level of security, we highly recommend to activate a two-factor authenticator or 2FA. The most popular ones are Google Authenticator and Authy. In this example, I will show you how to set up your 2FA using the desktop version of Authy. Click on the drop-down menu on the upper right corner and select Profile. In the section 2FA, click on Enable. You must see now a QR code that you can scan if you are using a mobile 2FA. If you are using a desktop version or don't have a camera on your phone, you can copy-paste the code below to link it to your 2FA application. Once set up, retrieve the 6-digit code and paste it in the dedicated field. You will now need to provide this changing code upon login and withdrawal. Thanks for watching.